Welcome to Token Clash. Today, we are looking at two blockchains that share the exact same mission to be the ultimate home for trading and finance. But they use two completely different engines to get the job done. First, we have Injective. Imagine a massive global stock exchange like Wall Street, but instead of a corporation owning it, it runs entirely on autopilot on the blockchain. Injective is built specifically to make trading tokens, derivatives, and assets completely decentralized. Trading today at approximately $2.95, Injective commands a market capitalization of roughly $295 million. On the other side, we have Sei. Imagine a massive superhighway built exclusively for race cars. Sei doesn't care about hosting regular apps or games. It is a blockchain designed from the ground up to be the absolute fastest place on the internet to buy and sell tokens. Trading today at roughly $0.065, Sei holds a larger market capitalization of approximately $440 million. Today, our evaluation is driven strictly by a cumulative star scoring system, the project that aggregates the highest total technical score across 9 categories takes the crown. Let's look at the data. Injective has cultivated a fiercely loyal community known as the Ninjas. They operate with a grassroots, almost militant dedication to the ecosystem, driving massive organic engagement on social media without relying heavily on paid hype. Sei's community, known as the Seians, is also massive but is much more driven by retail speculation, airdrops, and high volume trading excitement. While Sei has massive sheer numbers, the Injective community exhibits a deeper level of organic, long term holder loyalty. For building a tighter, more resilient core community, Injective secures 18 points. Sei takes 16. Both of these networks are top tier projects with flawless global accessibility. You can find both Injective and Sei on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and multiple traditional finance gateways. The differentiating metric here is daily transactional volume and market liquidity. Because Sei focuses purely on high frequency trading applications and retail meme coins on its network, it consistently processes higher daily trading volumes, often clearing $75 million a day compared to Injective's $50 million. For superior daily liquidity and retail access, Sei secures 19 points against Injective's 16. The total scoreboard now reads 34 for Injective and 35 for Sei. Token dynamics define long-term survival. Sei has a massive maximum supply of 10 billion tokens, and with only a portion currently in circulation, it faces a continuous schedule of token unlocks that dilutes early investors. Injective utilizes one of the most aggressive economic models in the market. Every single week, decentralized applications on Injective pool a percentage of their trading fees, buy Injective tokens off the open market, and permanently burn them. This makes Injective highly deflationary over time. For offering a vastly superior mathematical advantage to long-term holders, Injective extracts a perfect 20 points. Sei takes 14 points. Injective reclaims the lead with 54 points against Sei's 49. Injective brings innovation by hard-coding an entire financial order book directly into the blockchain. This means developers can launch decentralized exchanges in minutes without having to build the matching engine themselves. Sei completely rewrote the rules of processing speed. Instead of processing transactions one by one in a straight line, Sei utilizes parallelized EVM. Think of this as opening 10 checkout lanes at a supermarket instead of just one. It allows Sei to process thousands of transactions at the exact same time, achieving sub-second finality. For pushing the absolute boundaries of their respective technologies, both networks secure a massive 19 points. The score is 73 for Injective and 68 for Sei. When we look at network utility, we see a clash of philosophies. Sei processes a staggering amount of daily transactions, dominating in sheer network usage and active retail wallets trading high-speed assets. Injective, however, dominates in deep institutional decentralized finance. Its total value locked is highly concentrated in serious lending protocols and derivative trading platforms rather than fast-paced retail flips. Because Sei currently has a higher volume of active daily human users interacting with its chain, it secures 18 points to Injective's 17. The gap narrows. Injective leads 90 to 86. Both leadership teams are backed by the absolute titans of the crypto industry. Injective was incubated by Binance and is backed by prominent figures like Mark Cuban and Pantera Capital, giving it massive institutional credibility. Sei is backed by heavyweights like Multicoin Capital and Jump Crypto, two of the most powerful market makers in the world. Both teams have executed their technical roadmaps with extreme precision, delivering major network upgrades on time. The judges award 18 points to both projects for flawless execution and top tier backing. Injective sits at 108, Sei at 104. Injective has been operating its mainnet significantly longer. It has survived brutal bear markets, successfully upgraded its core infrastructure multiple times without halting, and possesses a highly established, geographically distributed set of validator nodes. Sei is a much newer network. While it has proven to be incredibly secure and fast under heavy load, it simply has not had the years of required testing to build the same level of historical trust, and its high hardware requirements for validators can lead to slight centralization. Injective earns 18 points for its battle-tested resilience. Sei takes 16. The total is 126 to 120. The future narrative of cryptocurrency heavily favors where developers want to build. Injective operates smoothly within the Cosmos ecosystem, allowing for seamless transfers between different specific blockchains. However, Sei recently unleashed a massive upgrade, allowing Ethereum developers to deploy their apps directly onto Sei without changing their code, while still utilizing Sei's massive speed. This parallel EVM narrative is currently acting as a massive magnet for global developers. For capturing the most aggressive growth narrative in the market today, Sei secures 19 points. Injective extracts 16 points. The score is dangerously close. Injective 142, Sei 139. Looking at historical price resilience, Sei had a fantastic launch but has suffered heavy price corrections as its initial hype cooled off and token unlocks hit the market. Injective, on the other hand, is legendary for its price performance. During the depths of the bear market, Injective showed immense relative strength, consistently printing new all-time highs and rewarding its community while the rest of the market bled. Its deflationary mechanics directly support its price action during times of panic. For pure historical price velocity and investor profitability, Injective secures 18 points against Sei's 15 in this final round. This concludes our technical evaluation based on supply metrics, architectural design, and historical market data. We have tabulated the final scores. Sei accumulated an impressive 154 total points, demonstrating unmatched transactional speed, massive retail adoption, and a brilliant developer narrative. However, with the final score of 160 total points, Injective takes the victory. The summary is mathematically clear. If you value absolute cutting-edge speed and a network designed to capture high-frequency traders and Ethereum developers, Sei is a magnificent technological achievement. But if you are looking for a battle-tested financial hub, a fiercely loyal community, and a heavily deflationary token model that protects long-term holders, Injective remains the mathematically superior choice in today's market. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button so you don't miss the next fight. I'll see you in the next battle.